Welcome students. Now we shall solve problems on trigonometry, that is especially that is the problems on compound angles. We know these four formulae. In the last class we have discussed about these four formulae. At the end of the last class we have derived these four formulae, that is sin c plus sin d equals to sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ. This is into sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and the final one, that is cos c minus cos d, is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. These are all these four formulae here. Now using these four formulae, now we shall prove certain results. Very important, that is 4 mark, sorry, not 4 mark, 5 mark questions. These are all the problems carrying 5 marks. Very important one. Remember it. Okay. Now we shall prove these results. Look at here. Prove the following results. Cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 3x is minus sin 2x by cos 10x. Now look at here. Cos 9x minus cos 5x. Look at it. 9x if you consider this as c, and this 5x if you consider this as d. This is cos c minus cos d, that is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. In the denominator you take 17x, look at it, the 17x as c and this 3x as d. So again you have sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now look at here. Here you can cancel this 2 and 2. 9x plus 5x andre 14x divided by 2, that is 7x. 9x minus 5x is 4x. 4x by 2, 2x. 17x plus 3x, 20x by 2, 10x. 17x minus 3x is 14x by 2, that is 7x. That you can cancel this sin 7x and sin 7x. So answer is minus sin 2x by cos 10x. This is the result. Very simple problems, and the problems carries 5 mark. Now look at this second problem. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x equals tan 4x. We have to prove left hand side is tan 4x. Here you take 5x as c, 3x as d. So that is sin, this 5x is considered as c and this 3x is considered as d. In the denominator this 5x is c, this 3x is d. So sin c plus sin d formula, look at here, you have to by heart this formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is 2 sin 5x plus 3x, c andre 5x, d andre 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. So here you can cancel this 2 and 2. Denominator formula cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 5x plus 3x is 8x by 2 andre 4x. 5x minus 3x andre 2x. 2x by 2, 2 cancel x. Similarly this one. Here you can cancel this cos x and cos x. So sin 4x divided by cos 4x is tan 4x. That is the result. Look at the third one. Sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y is tan of x minus y by 2. Consider the left hand side. Now look at here, you consider this x as c and this y as d. So apply the formula sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, c andre x, d andre y into sin c minus d by 2. Here cos c plus cos d, so x is c, y is d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Can we cancel this 2 and 2? We can cancel this 2 and 2. Look at here, cos of x plus y by 2 and cos of x plus y by 2 cancel. So So sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos x minus y by 2. Sin by cos is tan x minus y by 2. Very simple problems. Look at the fourth one. Sin x plus sin 3x by cos x plus cos 3x. We have to prove the left hand side is tan 3x. So here we consider this x only x as c and this 3x as d. In the denominator again this x as c and 3x as d. Okay. Sin c plus sin d. Here cos c plus cos d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly the formula x plus 3x andre 4x by 2 2x. X minus 3x, look at here, x minus 3x, this is equal to minus 2x. Okay, so if you divide x minus 3x divided by 2, this will be minus 2x divided by 2. So you can cancel this 2 and 2, you are having cos of minus x. But we know that, remember, cos of minus x is cos x. You can cancel these two. Sin 2x divided by cos 2x is tan 2x. Next problem. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equals 4 cos square x into sin 4x. These are all the problems carrying 5 mark. Now look at here. You cannot apply the formula to first two term. Nodili sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x ಗೆ formula apply ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ sin 6x ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. 6x ಮತ್ತೆ 2x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಒನ್ is 6x. So first you write sin 6x, next sin 2x plus sin plus 2 sin 4x. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Now you apply the formula. 6x is considered as c and 2x is considered as d. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus this term keep as it is. 6x plus 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8x by 2. 8 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4. 6x minus 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4. 4x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x. So what is the common factor you can take out here? You can take 2 sin 4x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 sin 4x ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 sin 4x ಇದೆ. Common factor. So here remaining is cos 2x plus 1. ಅಥವಾ reversal ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1 plus cos 2x. Remember we have a formula here. Sorry. Now look at here. 1 plus cos 2x has the formula. That is, the formula for 1 plus cos 2x is equal to, remember it is 2 cos square x. Because we derived the formula that cos square x, formula barkondidvi. Cos square x will be equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So if you cross multiply here, 2 cos square x will be 1 plus cos 2x. And if you want sin square x, this is 1 minus cos 2x. This is divided by 2. So what is 1 plus cos 2x? Cross multiply 2 cos square x. What is 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sin square x. So to this 1 plus cos 2x I write 2 cos square x. So 2 into 2 4 cos square x sin 4x. Final answer. Okay. Simple problem, but you have to remember all types of formulae. Now look at here. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equals, we have to prove this result. So we know the algebraic formula. A square minus b square will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. We all know this formula. So sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin 6x minus sin 4x. You consider this 6x as c, here 4x as d. Similarly this 6x as c and 4x as d. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So look at this 2 into 2. 2 into 2 will be 4. 6x plus 4x is 10x. 10 by 2 5x. 6x minus 4x is 2x. 2x by 2 x. Similarly, this is cos 5x sin x. Now next important is we club the term. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು cos x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು sin x ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 2 sin x cos x into 2 into sin 5x into cos 5x. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have a trigonometric formula. What is the trigonometric formula? We all know that sin 2x will be equal to 2 sin x into cos x. We know this formula. This is a multiple angle formula. Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Whenever if you have 2 sin x cos x, we can write this as sin 2x. Okay. Now look at this one. 2 sin 5x into cos 5x ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ here reverse order ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು? This is 2 sin x into cos x will be equal to sin 2x, right? Now look at this. Instead of x, if you replace by 5x, this will become 2 sin 5x cos 5x equals sin 2 into 5x. x ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 5x ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. So what is 2 sin 5x cos 5x? This is sin 2 into 5x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 10x. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ 4 ನ 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin 5x cos 5x. This is sin 2x, sin 2 into 5x. So the answer is sin 2x into sin 10x. That is the result. You have to remember this formula. That's a very important one. Okay. Next, here cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equals sin 4x into sin 8x. We had to prove this result. Again, this is the formula like a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b. Here 2x is considered as c, 6x is considered as d. Here 2x is c, 6x is d. So cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ formula, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ look at here, okay, 2 into 2x plus 6x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8x, 8 by 2, 4x. 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x. Minus 4x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2x. Again minus 2x. Again look at here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ 2x plus 6x by 2, that is 4x. This is minus x. Now look at here. What is cos of minus 2x? It is cos 2x. What is sin of minus 2x? It is minus sin 2x. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? So ಈ minus into minus become plus 2 into 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 2 into 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, so now this is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 into 2 ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? minus 4 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು minus 4 ಮಾಡೋಣ. 4. This is minus 4. So this is, look at this minus into this minus, plus 4 cos 4x cos 2x sin 4x sin 2x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ again we split this 4 ನ split ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತರಾನೇ. We write this as 2 sin, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 sin 2x cos 2x into 2 sin 4x cos 4x. What is the formula of 2 sin 2x cos 2x? Sin of 2 into 2x. This is sin of 2 into 4x. So sin 8x plus, sorry, sin 8x into sin 4x into sin 8x. Remember, look at here. ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. This is now look at here. Once again we shall expand here. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. This is important. Cos of minus 2x. Remember, cos of minus 2x will be plus cos 2x. Remember it. Whereas sin of minus 2x will be, it is minus sine 2x. So illi, this is 2 is here, okay, this is minus 2 into 2, that will give rise to minus 4 cos 4x. Cos minus 2x is cos 2x, sine of minus 2x is minus, again this minus into this minus 4 is plus 4. We split this 4 as 2 sine 2x cos 2. So we all know ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. 2 sin x cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2x. If you replace this x by 2x, ಅವಾಗ 2 sin 2x cos 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2 into 2x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಬದಲು 5x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 10x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. So you have, this is sin 2 into 2x, sin 2 into 4x. So sin 4x into sin 8x. Next one. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Now look at here. Keep cot 4x as it is. Now this 5x you consider this as c, 3x is considered as d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x by 2. So we see that 8x by 2 will be 2 ones are 2 fours are. 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x by 2, so this is x only. So now look at it, cot 4x inda ನಾವು cos 4x by sin 4x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So you can cancel this sin 4x and sin 4x. So remaining is 2 cos 4x into cos x. But we have to prove this result, cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x ಅಲ್ವಾ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, I take this cos x outside and I divide by sin x and multiply by sin x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, sin x ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Dividing by sin x and multiply by sin x. So this cos x by sin x will be cot x. Now look at here, we have another formula. If you consider this as x and if you consider this as y, 2 cos x sin y, formula is sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Remember, it is sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. 4x plus x 5x, 4x minus x 3x. This is the answer. So we apply the formula. One formula ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕದು, cos x into sin y, this will be equal to sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. So this is the formula. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x into sin y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so this is half into ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This is half into sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 and half get cancel ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So this is sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Next problem. This is a simple problem. We have to prove the result is cot x. Numerator 7x considered as c and is 5x considered as d. Here also 7x is c, 5x is d. Very simple problem. Cos c plus cos d. So what is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled here. 7x plus 5x is 12x, 12x by 2, 6x. 7x minus 5x, 2x by 2, x. Again this is 6x, this is x. Can we cancel this? Cos 6x, cos 6x cancel. Cos x by sin x is cot x. That is the answer. Now look at this one. We have to prove sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x is 2 sin x. Look at here, this sin x is considered as c and 3x is considered as d. Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. Remember, sin square x minus cos square x ಇಂದ minus 1 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ. ಇವು ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ cos square x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ sin square x. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So if you have a minus b here, you can always write, taking minus as common factor, you will get b minus a. So Take minus common factor, it is cos square x minus sin square x. So this x plus 3x and 4x by 2, 2x. X minus 3x and minus 2x by 2 minus x. Now look at here. We have the trigonometric formula, that is cos 2x will be nothing but cos square x minus sin square x. This is a formula. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So there you will find, look at here, this is cos square x minus sin square x, which is cos 2x. So sin of minus x is alva. So this is sin of minus x will be minus sin x. So illi minus first ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you can cancel this minus 2, sorry, minus cancel ಆಗಲ್ಲ, minus and minus cos 2x, cos 2x, answer will be 2 sin x. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So here cos square x is cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Sin square x. Now come to the next problem. These are all the simple problems here. Now look at here. So these are all the very important problems carrying 5 mark questions. So look at here. There are 3 terms here, isn't it? So cos 4x, cos 3x, cos 2x. We have to club the terms. Look at here. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4x plus 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6x, 6x divided by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos 4x ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ cos 2x ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ cos 3x ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ sin 2x ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, cos 3x ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. cos c plus cos d, we can apply only formula for 2 functions. So you consider 4x as c and 2x as d. In the denominator 4x as c, 2x as d. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2 plus cos 3x ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, look at here, this is, now look at here, this is 2 ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, 2 2. okay, this is 2 cos 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2, x plus cos 3x, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅದೇ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು? cos 3x ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 cos x plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you take sin 3x as common factor, here also you will get 2 cos x plus 1. So you can cancel these two. Cos 3x by sin 3x, that will be cot 3x. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬಾರದು. Remember, don't cancel these 2 because there is a plus here. Plus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 2x plus y divided by 2x minus y ಇದ್ರೆ 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 cos x plus 1 ಬಂದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. Here this is also similar to that problem. Look at here. ಇವೆರಡು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. 7x you consider this as c, 5x is considered as d, here 9x is c, 3x is d. Similarly the denominator, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Again sin c plus sin d plus 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7x plus 5x, 12x by 2, 6x. 7x minus 5x 2x by 2 x ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So what is the common factor in the numerator? 2 sin 6x 2 sin 6x ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x plus cos 3x. Denominator common factor is 2 cos 6x. So you can cancel this cos x plus cos 3x. So ಅವಾಗ 2 2 cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Sin 6x by cos 6x is tan 6x. That is the right answer. Okay. Now look at this one. We have to prove cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is this one. Now look, a whole square is there. You consider this x as c and y as d. X as c and y as d. Cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 whole square is square ಬಿಡಬಾರದು. Sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 whole square. ಈ whole square first one, second one, third one ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 square 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು cos square, this cos become cos square. Again 2 square is 4, again square of this one. So common factor ನೋಡಿ 4 cos square x plus y by 2 illu 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common factor. Remaining cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2. Look at here. This value is equal to 1 alva. Okay, this is because we all know that the value of cos square x plus sin square x is 1. ಅದೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That will become cos 2x. Okay. So that is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x will be equal to 1. Okay. Now look at here. So 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into 1, 4 cos square x plus y by 2. You have a next problem. This is a homework. This is a simple problem. You have to solve it. Okay. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ ತರ cos x ಗೆ c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, y ಗೆ d, cos c minus cos d expand ಮಾಡಿ whole square ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ 2 square 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 square 4. Take out the common factor. In the bracket you will get 1. Finally you get this as a answer. Homework ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಲಿ. Okay. Come to the next problem. We have to prove sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Look at this. 1 2 3 4. 4 terms are there. We have to club the terms in such a way that ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is 7x, this is x. 7 plus x, 7 plus 1 8 by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 plus 3 8 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ sin 7x plus sin x plus sin ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ plus sin 5x plus sin 3x ಈ ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಬ್. Next is very simple. 7x is c, x is d, 5x is c, 3x is d. Okay. So we have 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So you have this one. Common factor ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x common factor. You are left with cos 3x plus cos x. Rest is very simple. 3x ಗೆ c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x ಗೆ d ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Once again cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 3x plus x 4x by 2 2x, 3x minus x 2x by 2 x. So this is the answer. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ we proved certain results. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೇ. So So remember these formulae and you have to solve the homework problem. Remember it. That's very important. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು homework problem ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Compulsorily everyone should write the formula. It's a very important one. Remember it. Okay. Thank you.